the Rams are rolling. Well, we're gonna start rolling from here on out.
Oh yeah.
That week 2 loss out of the books.
That's in the past.
We're gonna keep on rolling. What's up? I'm Fisher Davis. I'm a senior defensive back and linebacker now. I don't know. And this is...
I'm Bryce Derry, and I'm a senior linebacker / offensive lineman and D lineman.
Welcome to Ramcast Sports. So last week we traveled to Troy, Illinois, and played Triad.
With one of the best games in a long time.
Well, the fourth quarter was really good.
Yeah.
First half... We'll just say the first half, after the first half, the score was 5-0, and we were down by 5, which 5 points in a football game is super rare.
It's low, yeah. It doesn't happen.
Because it's a safety and a field goal, so we weren't even down a touchdown at halftime. But first half was mainly defensive half. There wasn't much going either way for both offenses. No. It was just a defensive stalemate.
Triad, they had a great defensive plan set up for us.
Oh yeah, they did.
They had a really good defensive plan set up for us.
They really did. They were huge. They were giants too.
Oh, I'm knowing.
Yeah, they were giant. But then the second half came around. Third quarter, we were still scoreless, but they scored one touchdown, and it was somehow
15-0. Start of the fourth.
Yeah, and then 8 minutes and 30 seconds left in the game, we just exploded, really. We scored 27 points in the fourth quarter to win the game, 27-22, which we scored 27 minutes and 8 minutes. Oh, wait, 27 points in 8 minutes. My bad. But that's pretty insane.
Yeah,
it was
a magical strip for a touchdown.
For Marvin Myers, man. Marvin Myers. So I kicked the ball straight down the middle for a kickoff, and then their returner ran to their sideline, and we had just Marvin Myers on the side who just took the ball like a handoff from the guy and scored. I had no idea what was going on until everyone started cheering.
I didn't either. All I saw was just his arm out and
he was just holding it up.
Yeah. I was like, what?
Yeah, I had no idea what was going on. But no, it was a really exciting game for the fourth quarter. The first half, it was pretty boring. I can't lie. It was really boring, actually. Pretty good defensive game for us.
Really good defensive game, considering we gave up 66 points to them last year.
Yeah. Big step up. But, yeah. This week we have Althoff. It's our first conference game of the year. So, basically it's like a whole new start of the season because conference games are something different because anyone can win in a conference game. Doesn't matter who's better than who. But this week we have Althoff, the Crusaders, and our game plan is be the Rams, I guess.
Yeah, do what we do.
Yeah. We have, 1,100 rushing yards through 3 games?
About 1,200, yeah.
Which I think we're top 10 in the state for rushing yards, which is really good. And then the Althoff only has 500 yards total offense in 3 games. So we're beating them by a lot
We've doubled their. Well, we have more rush yards in week 1 than they do all season. We'll just put it like
that's true.
More rush yards in week 1 than they do all season.
Yeah, and that's total yards for them, not just rush. That's pass included.
For us, it's just rush.
Yeah, but they'll be. I think they'll be a pretty okay team.
They'll be all right.
Yeah,
they have speed.
They have speed. They have this new quarterback who moved from Belleville East who has a cannon for an arm. And he's probably their best player. He's a really good athlete. And if we can stop him, we can stop their team. But they're going to have to try and stop our offense, which I don't think they can do because they don't have the size to do it.
No.
Or they have speed, but we're a lot faster than them.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just like... But then again, it is a conference game, so anyone can win.
Anything can happen, yeah.
But I feel pretty confident going into this week. I feel the most confident for this game than I have all season, really.
Really? Even Taylorville?
Yeah.
I was pretty confident over Taylorville.
Yeah, but we didn't know what Taylorville had to start.
What they had, and they're pretty trash.
Dude, is there ever going to be a week where you don't diss Taylorville? But no, Althoff this week, first conference game, 7 o'clock Friday night, Adam Sandler theme.
Adam Sandler thing?
Adam Sandler
Someone
thing.
needs to go Waterboy this week.
So wear your baggy shorts and your baggy shirts to the game. 7 o'clock Friday night. It's also Continental Night, so if you wear a Continental shirt, you get $2 off entry. So if you're a student, that's basically free. But other than that, you got anything?
No, not on this week.
Not on this week? The Rams are rolling. Well, we're going to start rolling from here on out.
Oh, yeah.
That week 2 loss, out of the books.
That's
we're not,
in the past.
We're going to keep on rolling. The Rams are rolling. So nothing else?
No.
Well, once again, Fisher Davis,
Bryce Derry.
and thank you for watching Ramcast Sports.